Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings option at the top next to the X icon. Then you should scroll down to the app notification consent section, and here you can tap on this receive notifications button in the right side in order to get the latest information about flights, baggage and more from the Korean Air application. So tap on it, click on confirm. Then you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to allow the application to have access to your notifications. So search for the app and tap on notifications, click on allow, and as you go back you will be able to turn it on. And you can also turn on this marketing feature, receiving coupons, promotions and other benefits. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.